Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about trading V-tops and bottoms. How can you trade V-tops and bottoms? How can you spot them? And how can you begin to profit using this strategy? First off, we're going to talk about trading the V-tops. Now, this strategy can be used to trade anything you trade, be it currency, be it volatility indexes, whatever it is you trade, you can use this strategy to trade it. So all you have to be able to do is be able to spot the pattern. And just like these patterns we've talked about severally, these patterns are easy to spot. All you just simply need to look for is things that looks like the letter V. So you can see the regular V formation, or you can see it in the inverted direction. So if it is a regular V formation, this is called a V bottom. And if it is the inverted V formation, this is called a V top. So how is this traded? First off, we're going to talk about trading the V bottom. The V bottom is often seen at the end of a downtrending market. So say the market has been trending down consistently, and then at a point where you should expect price reversal, you see the market give you the low and then begin to tend towards the upside. That is where you tend to see the V bottom. So when you do see them, what they do signal is the change in direction. So you could capture that peak and follow it. And the V top also is seen at the end of an uptrending market. So say the market has been trending up consistently and gets to a point, what you expect to see is for price to peak to the other side. Sometimes these points are called pivot levels or pivot points. So the market gets here and peaks down, gets to this point and peaks up. Alright, so all you have to do when you see these patterns is to trade them accordingly. So the V top is going to give you a sell move or a sell directional market, while the V bottom will give you a buy directional market. Now there are times when the market could tend to give you another low and continue to trend up, thus creating a W formation. But there are times when it just keeps going all the way up until it completes the beginning of the move. So just like every other patterns, when you see these V tops and V bottoms, expect price to continue up to the point where the market started from. So say you see a V top, you expect price to sell to the point where the market started from. Now these do not necessarily signal major reversals. It could just be a small change in market sentiment or market direction. So but you can profit from this strategy, especially if you're a scalper. So if you're a scalper, you can profit from this strategy. There are indicators that will help you to see the exact time when these peaks are being created. In my subsequent videos, I will talk about these indicators. But first off, let us go to a chart to see ways that we can spot these V tops and bottoms. Now if you look at this chart right here, you see this is the Euro Turkish Lira. Now the Euro Turkish Lira, you see how the market has been consistently trending from the downside, and then it peaked all the way up. And then what did it do at this point? This is seen as a pivot point, and then the market dropped all the way down. So this is a V top. So when you see a V top, especially at major levels, they also signal good directional market move. So you're looking to sell the V tops. Alright, here's another V top and the market sold all the way. Then you're able to make all of that profit. So the V tops are where you look for opportunities for sales. So let's say we spot another one. So these patterns, you can see them on any time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, you can use them as good scalping patterns. So here's another V top. So the V top technically are sell signals. That's what the V top help you see. They help you spot sell directional market moves. Alright, so on and on like that, you can observe them. So the V top looks to sell. So the minute you see that market peak, you need to see that clear peak, that the candle is consistent, that's giving you the good peak, and you have all your candle confirmations, you can look to sell the market when you spot a V top. Same thing when you spot a V bottom, you look to buy. So this gave us a V bottom, and then the market just went all the way up. So these are beautiful times for you to be able to trade these patterns following the simple rules. So be it volatility index, be it Forex, whatever it is you trade, the profit trading this simple strategy. So the V bottom, you look to buy and see the target. Just usually look to target the beginning of the move. Alright, so you don't need to go the whole 9 yards. You just try to take something else. So even if you're a scalper, this is one simple strategy that you can scalp with and make a lot of profit from. Alright, so the V bottoms are for buys while the V tops are for sells. So let's see another one. Here's a V top. See how the market went all the way down without mercy. Alright, so there you have it, trading the V tops and the V bottoms. Remember, you can trade them on any time frame, and ultimately for your take profit, you look to target the zones or the levels where the first leg of the V was created. Alright, so this was the first leg of the V. You can see how the market went all the way up, got to this pivot level and dropped. So see how market got all the way down to that point, and you target profit. So go look for them on any time frame. Try out the strategy, and if you find results, don't forget to send us an email at winningwithforex2.0@gmail.com. So here is what we're looking to see on GA. GA now, we're currently looking to see a V top at least. If we see a V top, take the trade. Take a look at this V top right here. See how where it started from, how the market went all the way, picked up, and then dropped fully to that point, and even gave you extra. So say you took your target profit here and met your target for the week or for the month. So trading V tops and bottoms are very easy because they're a lot more easier to spot, and they're a lot more regular than your regular patterns that you already know. So do try out the strategy. If you have any questions to ask, leave it in the comment section and we'll answer it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you get all the great videos as they come. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good trading week. Bye bye.